I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare bean stew in Sierra Leone. This hearty dish is a staple, known for its rich flavor and comforting warmth. We'll walk through each step, from selecting the freshest ingredients to simmering the stew to perfection. Get ready to create an authentic taste of Sierra Leone right in your own kitchen. It's simpler than you might think. First, let's get those beans ready. Soaking them overnight is a crucial step, making them cook faster and more evenly. Once soaked, boil them until they're perfectly tender. You want them soft enough to mash easily, but still holding their shape. This foundation is key to a delicious stew, so take your time with this part. Now for the heart of the stew, the flavor base. Heat up some vibrant palm oil and gently sauté your aromatics, onions, garlic, and ginger until they release their wonderful fragrance. Next, add your colorful vegetables and let them soften. Finally, introduce your fish or meat, allowing it to brown slightly to lock in those savory juices. This step builds incredible depth. Almost there. Now, gently fold your tender cooked beans into that rich, aromatic stew base. Add just enough water or broth to achieve your desired consistency, then let it simmer slowly. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. Serve your warm, comforting Sierra Leonean bean stew with a side of fluffy rice or crusty bread. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.